folks. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I finally sat down and I'm always trolling eBay for weird parts and stuff, but I haven't done one like this in a while. So this is probably gonna be a Tooly Tuesday video because, you know, it's got a tool in it. It's Tuesday, or it's gonna be Tuesday when this comes up. This I picked up. Let's see. I'll show you. It's the same one? No, it's not the same one. I picked up this on eBay. They are Olympia tools. They are, what's this called again? Turbo pliers. Let me roll this down here. Olympia tools turbo pliers. They look kind of like RoboGrip grips. I don't know if you've ever seen a RoboGrip grip. They're kind of neat because they have a, let me see, I'll show you. They can grab on. It says BP on it. They got a molded plastic handle, and you can see they're kind of like 4 pieces of metal. They're riveted, and they're actually pretty good because you can. Also, it comes with its Olympia Tools baby cousin. So I got different sizes. I actually like the RoboGrip. My father bought them when I was younger. Actually, I'm gonna go get the RoboGrip. Stay tuned, I'll show you. Well, sadly, I can't show you the RoboGrip because I didn't bring it. It's actually at my house. They were my dad's RoboGrips, and I use them all the time for gripping stuff. My favorite thing to use them for, which these are good for. Oh, it's not really my favorite, but I know they work great. You ever use plumbing pipe glue? Those stupid little metal cans that glue themselves shut every time you use them? But they usually fit around the can, and you just have to hold on and turn it because the plumbing pipe glue for the black ABS plastic never seems to come out. But yeah, they're pretty good, these things. I mean, they seem kind of like, budget because they're all, you know, made of flat steel and stuff, but they're not bad. What's it say on here? Patent pending, meaning stolen the patent. There's a spring in here, a couple of rivets. It says I don't know what this is. Oh look, the rivet came out. Somebody put a bolt in there because the rivet must have popped out. There's a little repair on there. I got a shitty one. I gotta buy another one. See, the rivets. The rivet on here is gone. I'll have to make another rivet and fix it. Get a piece of metal and squish it. Give it a squish. But yeah, it's I like them. They're like quick. You can just grab stuff. So don't be afraid to buy like these kind. They're not, just because they're not, you know, I'll show you. Just because they're not one of these suckers, don't cost $20 doesn't mean they're no good. Like I like my RoboGrip because they have nostalgia. My dad bought them back in the day, and I think he bought it at Kenny Tire. Bought a lot of stuff there. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and enjoy this thing. It's only a short video, but I like them. I'll put them in my pile, so one day when I have a use for them. Thanks for watching. Toodles.